Begin in Tadasana mountain pose with your feet together and arms alongside your body. Take your feet wide and open your arms wide on an inhale. Line your ankles up with your wrists and turn out the toes of your left foot 45 degrees. Root down firmly through both feet by lifting the inner arches and pressing down into the pinky and big toe side of the foot. Outer edge of the back foot should be sealed to the ground. Hips are parallel with the length of the mat. Engage the belly by slowly drawing the navel in towards the spine. Relax the shoulders away from the ears as you keep the arms and fingertips active. Lift up out of the waist and take your fingertips to the left as far as you can. When you can no longer lengthen to the left, tilt your torso from the hips and reach the left fingers down towards your shin, a block or the mat. Arms should be one straight line. Try not to put too much weight into the bottom hand. Keep engagement of the belly, keep lengthening your tailbone down. Keep the neck in line with your spine as you keep your gaze forward, down or upwards towards the extended arm, whatever feels best on your neck. To release, on an inhale, use the strength of your belly to raise the torso back up. Drop the arms and bring the legs back together. You will repeat this then on the other side.